In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple strategy that combines the power of Pinterest and Fiverr and give us the opportunity to earn with Fiverr without doing the gigs. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. Well, thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And that's the reason why I'm sharing information here on YouTube. So I can explain you concepts and you learn more about this. By the way, guys, this with the strategy that I'm going to show you, I'm not guaranteed by any means that you're going to get the results because the very first thing is that you need to watch the video and you need to be consistent with the implementation. With that said, you need to have the right mindset. You need to understand that this is a business. And if you want to have great results, you need to treat it as a business. Okay? I'm pretty sure that you're one of those who are actually committed with yourself, committed with your success, but I need to make this clear. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple strategy that actually you can use to earn money. And it combines Pinterest and it also combines Fiverr. Here are some of the results that I'm getting some of the commissions. But as I told you, um, I'm by no means guaranteeing you that these are the results that you're going to get because I don't know your work ethics. But I know that if you're committed with yourself, consistent, and you have a strong why, you are going to have the opportunity to get amazing results because you deserve it. So now there are two things that we need. First of all, we need a Fiverr account. In order to open a Fiverr account, that's going to be 100% free. This is actually my account. And you need to scroll down and you're going to click here where it says affiliates. Okay. Go and find where it says affiliates. Sometimes it's on the right side, sometimes it's on the left side, but always at the bottom, type where it says affiliate, and you're going to have the opportunity to become a Fiverr affiliate. So people, well, in this case, Fiverr is going to pay you to collaborate with the Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, you are going to be recommending world-class freelance talent and earn from every first-time buyer you refer and other things. So you're going to have tons of products that you can go and promote, and these are the commissions that they are actually having right now. Here it says, enjoy an instant commission ranking from 25% to 100% of the customer's first order. And really important, 10% revenue share from all future orders placed by the customer in the first 12 months. So that means that you're recommending someone a service and you're going to be earning a commission for that service that go between 25% to 100%. And after that, if that person places an order on other gigs, you are going to be earning 10%, but that's going to be passive. And that's going to be for the first 12 months. They do have three programs. The first one is the marketplace gig. Here it's cost per action. You're going to be getting 25% of the first order. After that, 10%, as I told you, it's going to be for the next 12 months. They do have what they call the pro service. Okay, here is curate catalog feature Fiverr top freelancer talent 100% vetted. You are gonna get 70% of the first order and 10% for the next 12 months. And also you are gonna go to the be part of the logo maker, which is a powerful AI engine combined with the work of top logo designers. You are gonna get paid $30 for a first order. Okay, this is a fixed CPA of $30, which is 100%. So in other words, you're gonna get 100% of the commission and 10% on futures orders. Okay, so these are basically the commission plans that you're gonna get. You're gonna have an intuitive dashboard. You're gonna have personal support. You're gonna have the marketing tools. You are gonna be able to promote everything and all the services that they do have. But remember that we are gonna be fixing it. Okay, once you fill out the information and you join, you are gonna be having a dashboard. Okay, if sometimes these change. Okay, but the most important strategy or the most important tools are mostly on the same place every time. Okay, we are gonna go here where it says marketing tools and you're going to click here where it says default and deep links. Okay, you're going to go where it says default and deep links. You are going to notice that I do have more options than the ones that you have right now. Here, for example, I have the Fiverr Marketplace new plan, Fiverr CPA old plan. You know, why do you have some one that says old plan? Because my Fiverr affiliate account is really, really old. Okay, that's the reason why. Ignore it, okay? Because we are going to be working with this one that's it's called deep link, okay? With this one that is called deep link. Now, what we're going to be doing, we are going to be finding a service that we will go and promote, okay? In my case, I'm going to go with Pinterest marketing. You can promote any service that you feel like it. But I'm going to go with Pinterest marketing. You need to understand that the ones that are at the top, because I know that most of the time people are like, I'm going to promote this that are at the top. Check and see that this one says add, an ad, and we have an ad here and an ad here, okay? So take that into consideration that these are ads. Can you promote them? Yes. But that doesn't mean that because that they're at the top, they are like the ones that people get or like the most. It's because they are at the top because they are paying to be there. Okay? So which are the ones that you suggest to go with, Diana? Okay, I suggest you to go with the one that says, first of all, Fiverr Choice. Because as you see here in the description, it says Fiverr Choice recommends services that people love for super work and delivery. Okay, that means that chances are that people are super happy with it. 4.9 star, okay, out of 5. And we're going to have the opportunity to get repeat customers. We also recommend those that says top rated. Here it says selected by Fiverr after meeting our highest performance criteria and consistently delivering exceptional work. Okay, so those are the ones that I suggest you to go. I also suggest you to go with the ones that says level 2. Okay, because here it says has met high performance criteria and has proven track records for meeting client expectations. Okay, those are the ones since you're getting started that I'm recommending you to go with. Okay, so I'm going to show you something here. For example, I go with this one that says, I will manage your Pinterest marketing for your business and blog. Okay, it has 7 orders in queue. What does that mean? Let's say that she is just with the basic one. Okay, here you have 3 packages, and depending on the one that they choose, that's the percentage that you're going to go with, except for the logos that you understand that that's a fixed price. Here on the Bloom one, it says the basic one is 130, the standard it's 180, and the premium is 240. Let's say that everybody goes and chose the 130. So simple math, okay? Simple math. She has 7 people here in queue order, so 130 7 times, almost $1,000 here, okay? And you're gonna get a percentage of that. 260 people reviewed this, and it's a 4.9%. 4.9 star out of 5. Sorry. Here on this other user. Okay, this other user, she has 23 orders on queue. Okay, she has the basic one is $60, the standard one is 120, and the premium one is 240. Let's say that everybody goes with this one that's $60. She will help manage and grow and boost marketing as Pinterest Queen. So 23 times 60, okay, that's 1,380, okay? And remember that you're going to be getting a percentage of this. Okay, so what else do we need? Okay, we need to choose the product that we are going to be promoting. Well, the service that we're going to be promoting. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to click and I'm going to copy the link that is at the top. I'm going to go back to my Fiverr dashboard. Okay, and I'm going to click here where it says deep link. Then I'm going to paste the link here and I'm going to click here where it says save. it's gonna give me a special link. That's gonna be my link specifically to promote that product. In this case, well, that service. So every single time someone click, it's gonna have something that it's called cookie. And if someone make the purchase, I'm gonna get a commission. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So after you have that, what else do you need? Okay, you need a Pinterest account. Okay, you need a Pinterest account. This is going to be a business account. And you're going to notice that the designs are not super complicated. Okay, the designs are not super complicated. Okay, so you're going to go here and you're going to click here where it says create pen. Okay, here on the create pen, you're going to notice that there are some things that we actually need. Okay, we're going to need an image, we're going to need a title, we're going to need a description, we're going to need a link. Okay, the board is optional. You can create as many boards as you want, the tags as well. Okay, so here's, you're going to put your special link. How you can create this. Okay, you're going to go to Canva, and here on canva.com, you are going to have the opportunity to create your own images. Okay, you are going to ask ChatGPT or any other AI to help you with this. Okay, to help you with this, for example, here I have this one that says, turn this title into a Pinterest pin. Help me with everything that I needed, including the hashtag and SEO is needed. I will manage your Pinterest marketing for your business blog. Diana, where do you get this? I get it for the service here on Fiverr. Okay, this is what I copied. Okay, and you notice that it gave me Pinterest title ideas, that I need a title. Okay, it also helped me and give me, some text. Here it says use short bold hook on the image. It gives me the text. It also gives me the SEO service title, the description, the hashtags. It's also telling me that I should use between 3 to 8 maximum on Pinterest. It's giving me the keywords. It's also helping me, okay, with the design suggestions, the layout, what's the best image size, the call to action, and it's giving me some bonuses, okay, here in the description. Nowadays, you can also ask the AI to create your own image. You can tell them like, this is the product that you would like to promote and that you would like to help with the creation of the image, okay? And the AI is going to be doing it for you. You can ping the pings right away, or you can program and they're going to be publishing later, okay? Here, if you enable here where it says publishing at a later time. You can also go and you can be doing what I'm actually doing, which is basically I use a tool that is called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. And what I'm capturing people name and email address. So with that says, I can recommend as many products and services as I want. And I can send people a reminder automatically via email, okay? Remind them that, they were interested in this product. Or I can promote other products, and this is something that helps me replace 2 full-time jobs, because this is something that you set up and create once, and after that it's going to be working for you 24/7. So if you want to learn more about this in detail, check the very first link in the description. This is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.